Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today is Thursday, February 18th, 2021, and welcome to yet another snowstorm. I'm going to show you right now. We're going to get another 6 to 10 inches. It is snowing moderately right now. I'm going to walk out to the street. And yeah, if you feel like you've seen this video before, that's because I've made several this season, because this is the winter that will just not end. We've had snow on the ground for the last month, and there is just no end in sight. Tomorrow is Friday. It's going to be cloudy with more snow, and Saturday and Sunday will be dry. However, Monday is another snowstorm coming. I don't think I've ever seen so many cloudy, snowy, just plain rotten days in my life. It seems as though much of the country is being gripped by this unusually cold, snowy weather pattern, especially the poor folks down in Texas who are not used to this kind of thing. But here we are used to this. So yeah, I figured I would just give you a little look at this once again. And don't you worry, I'll be back here on Monday with another snow video. And I will see you tomorrow with my normal eBay video. Guys, that's all I've got to say right now. Just checking in during another northeast snowstorm from the winter 2021, the winter that will not end. Guys, rock on and peace.